Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand oven and it's giving you an error C12 and you're wondering what is this and how do I get rid of it. So first of all, if you're getting this error, this means you probably have an over-under oven. And so this C12 error concerns the lower oven. And basically the C12 error is saying that it is not getting a proper temperature reading from your oven. So the first things you want to do to try to get rid of this error are, the first thing to do is just to do a hard reset on the machine. So turn it off, disconnect it from power, leave it turned off like at the circuit or whatever for a full minute, turn it back on, see if that clears it out. Because a lot of these errors are just for electronic anomalies, just like on a computer, and doing that will clear it out. The second thing you want to do is, if you haven't cleaned your oven in a while, you should clean it. Because if there's too much gunk and buildup of stuff, then this can interfere with the temperature sensors in the oven. So the second thing would be to just clean it out. And after that, you might be getting into an issue with either a faulty temperature sensor or any of the electronics going from the temperature sensor to the control board and the control board itself that could be erroneously giving you this error. And that's going to need to be investigated by a professional. But anyways, hopefully the first two remedies that I gave you will get it fixed. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.